I haven't been in the Whipstick for a while, and sorry about the sound quality. I didn't bring a microphone with me. I had to get out to the forest just to clear my head because I've been doing all this time report writing on the computer. Anyway, I'm down in the Whipstick. This is only about 5 k's from my house. Heaps of gold all around here, so which is cool because it's just 5 k's from my house. But one of the first things I find when I come to one of my favourite spots is this. Look at that. It's just like, what is it with people? It's just crazy, because looking at that, I estimate that is maybe $8, $10 to dump at the tip. If you remove the heavy stuff, like, you know, that bit of wood, which actually looks like a really nice piece of hardwood, remove that heavy stuff and a few other things, it would probably be, you know, less than that. I think the minimum charge is $8, so it's not going to get much less. So I reckon, you know, take out the heavy wood and you're looking at $8 of rubbish that has been dumped here. And considering where this is, it would be less petrol to drive to the tip for almost anyone in Bendigo, because the number of houses at this side of town, pretty few and far between. So it's just like, what is wrong with people? Seriously. Anyway, no gold this video. I will get back to doing some videos on mad scientist prospecting at some point. I've just got a lot going on, some really cool, exciting stuff, which I'm starting to release snippets of on my other social media channels, and my original channel, 𝗏𝘃𝗶𝗏𝗏. So if you want to check that out, you know, hop over there and have a look. Yeah, we might be getting close to getting onto a farm.